Hello everyone, welcome back to Shreya and Shravya's Kitchenette. Today we'll be making one of the simplest yet most refreshing drinks you can enjoy at home, which is fresh orange and carrot juice. Let's move to its ingredients. So these are the ingredients that we need to make the orange and carrot juice. Let's go to it one by one. So the first one we need is 3 oranges, which is juicy. The second ingredient is carrots. You can take 3 carrots and also some ginger. Next, we'll be needing half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for the color. Now, let's peel off the skin of the carrot. Carrots has many nutritional benefits. It's rich in vitamin A, it boosts immunity, promotes glowing skin, aids digestion, heart healthy, and supports weight loss. It also contains beta-carotene that helps protect your skin from sun damage and keeps it radiant. So now cut the edges of the carrot and repeat this process for the rest. Then cut it into small pieces as shown. Now let's take our oranges, peel it off and separate it into different pieces. Now let's take a blender and add all the carrots into it, one by one. Then we'll be adding our oranges to it. Next coming is our ginger with our turmeric. Now let's blend it all and you get the juice like this. Now we need to strain off the residue. So use a strainer and sieve the solution. Use a spoon to speed up the process. You can see the fresh juice is coming out. Not only is it easy to make, but it also is packed with amazing health benefits. So grab your oranges and let's get squeezing because nothing beats the taste of fresh homemade orange juice. That was all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.